Hello from Flaten, or should I say good evening, as it is almost 6 p.m. and the sun is still up on this 9th of July. Super sunny day, and Chris is ready for a swim here in Lake Flaten in this spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. And I'm all alone here, and we'll be jumping into the water in a bit, but first let's measure the temperature of the water. Outdoors it is 22 degrees Celsius, so quite a warm evening indeed. The water looks absolutely spectacular, and I can see even fish here close to the rock. And this is one of my new favorite beach spots to go for a swim here in the Flaten Nature Reserve. And in the water it is just 18 degrees Celsius, so it has cooled down a bit, as we have had quite unstable weather past week. I do remember measuring 24 degrees 2 weeks ago, but now there were some cold nights and the temperature has gone down a bit, but still 18 degrees, it's still warm indeed. Beach number 86, I believe it is, if I'm not completely mistaken, and it's time to jump in the lake in a bit. Wonderful nature overall, and I'm so happy to have such proximity to this nature and to enjoy a nice swim here in the lake. I'm gonna go for 15 minutes, depending on how I feel, maybe half an hour as well. So greetings from Flaten Nature Reserve and this spontaneous nude beach spot. And let's finally go for a swim, as it is too hot and the wind is not blowing directly here, which means it's even hotter under the sun. And here it is quite deep to begin with, so it's quite nice to go in for a quick dip. And I just can't believe there are fish here also in this beautiful natural setting. All right, so we're gonna jump in 3, 2, 1. Amazing indeed. I love it. Such a beautiful, peaceful nature. So yes, beach adventures with Chris continue, and it seems like the summer is finally back again after a week of a very random weather for the season. And this weekend is going to be up to 26 degrees Celsius, which means I'm heading again to the sea for the weekend. I think one fish has bit me in the leg or something has touched me in the leg. Unclear what it is, but yeah, enjoy this wonderful view of the beautiful Lake Flaten, my favorite lake in Stockholm region for sure, maybe also in the world. If I'm being honest. amazing indeed. So let's continue swimming, and it's time for me to say thank you for watching this episode from Flaten and this continuous nude beach spot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.